What's up guys? Today, as you can see, nice new shoe unboxing for you. So we're gonna show off a crazy Air Jordan 35 Zion Williamson PE. Now you're probably wondering what PE means. PE, just for a quick definition for those who don't know, PE is player exclusive or player edition. I've heard people say both ways. I personally say player edition, meaning basically they're hard to get on the aftermarket, or they're strictly made for the athlete itself. That's it. Meaning that a lot of times these PEs will go up to crazy prices on the secondary markets like StockX, GOAT, places like that, right? So I'm getting right into it. Wow. So crazy boxing, crazy packaging on the whole box right here. You've got this nice design. Yeah, then you got the Air Jordan XXXV 35, as I said, SPZ, so special edition Zion. So then you got this nice little lever right here to release the box. And without me talking too much, I'm just gonna give you guys that nice look. Holy moly. So you can see the Bayou Boys spell out right here. Really cool in my opinion. And then, what? Do y'all see this? Look at this right here. Like, dang, they gave this man some crazy packaging. But holy crap, this is crazy. Comes with this like marsh looking grass stuff. Nice little detail added. Bayou Boys paper, as you might see right there. And then what everybody is here for, the Zion 35 Air Jordan right here. So this is a PE, like I said. It was pretty limited. If you're not familiar, I'll drop a picture right here of the OG 34 that they came out with in his rookie year. Those are doing pretty good numbers, probably like 350, 400. If I had to take a guess off the top of my head, that's the last time I checked, a few days ago. But as you can see, a unique shoe to say the least. We got some more of the grass in here, kind of laying over these shoes. I think that's cool, man. I mean, think about it. What other shoe can you say that came with, this much detail and design recently? So then you got this little heel cover. Gonna see what that's all about. Oh man. So it's got the Nike Air pull tab, and then it says Boys here. So I'm assuming the other one says Bayou Boys. But then you got this like greenish design right here, greenish yellow design. Show you guys up close. And you can actually, and I'll see through you guys right here. You can see through, it's completely, open right there. Then on the bottom, you got that gum bottom with a nice neon green Jumpman. So that's pretty sweet. And then on the upper, you got a nice neon green Jumpman right here. The X design, as you can see across the box. So that's where that ties into. It does have the Nike QR code size tag on the inside. Man, these are sweet. So across right here, you've got like a cracked, it's like a cracked cement almost. It's like pretty detailed, man. I'm not gonna lie, these are really sweet. Wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about them when they were coming in. I wanted to show you guys a review. And resale wise, these don't have too much resale now, but I do see these going up in value. Why? Because Zion Williamson. Wait till he has a huge highlight in these next year. When the season starts, or actually pretty soon when the season starts. I'm investing in his sports cards. I'm investing in, like some of the design stuff he's doing with like collabs people are doing for him. Man, I'm just telling you, Zion has a chance to be our Jordan, our LeBron, our next Jordan or LeBron, I mean. But man, so you got that. This is a really sweet touch right here, the Jumpman logo on this like luminescent little holographic strip right here. It breaks up the arch design. So you see that's like the theme right here. You got the arches, and then the concrete goes around all the way to the back of the shoe. But then it's similar to an Air Jordan 5 tongue. I wanted to bring that up just because, you know, I think they're pulling things from bits and pieces of shoes to make his player editions. So I think they're cool. Personally, I would not wear this shoe. For what reason? One, I don't play ball no more. That's the first one, and a pretty good one. But two, I mean, it's just a lot going on for me, man. It's a lot going on. Not that Jumpman did a bad job with these by any means, because I love the laces, I love the neon green hits across the upper, and for the new model itself, he already got a player edition. I think that's pretty sweet. So definitely would take a look at these if I was y'all. Oh, nice neon green lace tips, those are sweet. I wonder if these glow in the dark, matter of fact. Huh. But yeah, so a lot going on. Let me know down below what you guys think about them. Please, please, please hit that subscribe button down below. It really would do me a huge favor. It helps me a lot, more than you know, really does. But yeah, show me, tell me if you guys picked these up. Tell me, you know, if you got the original Bayou Boys in the green 34 colorway. Those were cooler to me personally. It had a huge Bayou Boys spell out on the back, and it was like a crocodile print for the New Orleans, like, you know, the team. I think, personally, this shoe will go up over time. But it is a risky investment, so I'm personally not going to be buying too many pairs of these. I think there's just better things you can put your money into. But I do and will say, Jumpman, these are pretty sweet. A lot better than they looked online. Although they are a unique shoe, you're either going to love them or you hate them. I heard they are really good and they don't feel too heavy to hoop in. So, really, really cool shoe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really do hope you appreciated this video and enjoyed it. You know, I hope you got your popcorn. Stay tuned to the whole video if you're watching this. Thank you so much. But yeah, appreciate you guys. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and be easy.